Hi, I'm Sergeant First Class Miguel Torres. I'm a 51 Charlie Contracting and Acquisitions NCO with the 414th Contracting Support Brigade. My job is to acquire supplies and services for the Army in order to better equip our fighting force. The 414th Contracting Support Brigade, in support of the 173rd Brigade Innovation Team, utilized a multiple award blanket purchase agreement in order to buy drone parts for the 173rd. The blanket purchase agreement is a streamlined process that allows the 173rd to order off of a set list of parts in order to acquire drones as fast as possible. It allows the 173rd to stock their lab, equip the drones, and put them together, as well as utilize them for reconnaissance, attack, and have their soldiers train on drones for the fighting force of 173rd. Yeah, I bought that.